Hi! In front of me is ZTE A53 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Security. Following that, click on Screen Lock under Device Security and tap on one of those login methods: pattern, PIN, or password. Now you need to create it. Hit Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. When you're done, choose Confirm. Last but not least, you need to answer this question by selecting one of the available options. How do you want the lock screen to display? I don't want any notifications, so I have to click on Don't Show Notifications at All and tap on Done. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!